Hello friend, today we discuss how to convert shapefile to CSV file. If you want to work in CSV file, so it is very important. So you see video in last and also like, share and subscribe my channel. So let we start. Here is our whole shape file and we go to R catalog, go to data conversion, go to geo database and go to table and we select here shape file and our location, output location, and we add it. We write here pole name means output file name. We write here pole underscore 2 and OK. Our file is converted. You also see here the dbf file and we remove it and go to our folder. Here is our output. We open it and we double click. Here is our Excel file. We save it, go to save as and our location. We save it to CSV format. We select here CSV and save. Our Excel is completed in CSV format. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.